So guys, after the update of Poco F1 to Android 10, one problem is there related to the ringtone, that you cannot assign a particular ringtone for a particular SIM. Means if you assign a ringtone for SIM 1, then automatically that ringtone will be assigned for SIM 2 and vice versa. So there is a bug related to the ringtone setting. I cannot show you the problem here because during the trial purpose I have already solved my problem. So what you have to do, I am showing you right now. You have to simply go to themes. Okay, so let's go to themes. Yeah, long tap, go to app information. Here in my case it's showing the disable because I have already deleted the updated version. So all you have to do is that uninstall that update version of this theme and go to clear data and clear cache. I am not doing because my problem is already solved. So after doing this, close all background running application. Now go to setting, go to sound and vibration, phone ringtone, and here you can see that Airtel SIM 1 I am having in all ringtone fantasy named, and in Geo there is another ringtone that let me love you. So and here you can get the option of apply SIM 1 setting. So if I click this, then the ringtone in SIM 1 will be assigned in SIM 2. So you get both option of assigning the ringtone. So for example, I am changing my ringtone. Let's go to iPhone 11 Pro 1. So in SIM 1 iPhone 11 Pro, and in Geo I am going to this and Senorita iPhone. Okay, and now I am calling to my number from my another phone to show you that. Let me show you by calling on both the SIMs. First I am going to ring in my Airtel SIM. Okay, so first I am going to call on my Airtel SIM 1. So I am calling on my Airtel. So iPhone 11 Pro is ringing, and in SIM 2 I am calling right now. So you can see this process is working. But another thing I want to tell you that if you go to music player and from here you want to assign a ringtone by cutting a particular song, then it will show that yes, your ringtone is set, but actually it is not working. For example, I am trimming this part of this song and okay, so showing that ringtone is set. Now I am calling on my number. So you can see that there's still another bug related to the ringtone setting from music player, that you cannot trim a song and assign as a ringtone. So I am still finding the solution of this problem as soon as possible of the solution video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Keep watching, subscribe, like and comment.